Hey, what's your name?
It's fine.
Alright, so I've been hearing some bad things that our app's not working 100% of the time. So, John, I'm gonna need you to really get on that. Honestly, if I go to the website one more time and it's not working, you're getting fired.
Don't worry, Han. I got you. Introducing WatchTower.
Hi everyone, this is WatchTower and we're
10x devs.
So a little bit about the overview of our project, WatchTower, is that it's an observability dashboard that collects and displays real-time data. What data exactly? Well, we have errors, uncaught JavaScript exceptions, as well as page loads, so different pages and how many times they're loaded, user interactions such as clicks, as well as user feedback in the form of surveys. And finally, we have uptime of the overall app, which will send a notification to the developer if it goes down or anything such as that. And our main problem statement that we're trying to solve is that whenever software breaks in production, developers often spend a lot of time trying to navigate and find the errors, performance issues, or user complaints. And our app aims to kind of have it all in one place.
Welcome to the WatchTower app. Upon logging in, you will be brought to the overview page. This page gives a short summary of what's going on in your website, allowing developers to do a quick check and roll back deployments if necessary. We also have an uptime card that will show the uptime history when you select a project. Up next is the projects page. This is where you can add and remove projects from the WatchTower app. When you create a project, you will need to copy and paste the API key into your website in order to start tracking events. This page categorizes errors into critical errors and warnings. There are charts that break them down by time and path. If you want to take a closer look at a specific error, you can click on it. The activity page displays graphs of the event count and page load duration across time. Page loads and clicks are also broken down by paths. The feedback page gives a breakdown of reviews that the user reported from your website. In settings, you can modify your notification preferences to enable or disable push notifications and emails, which are sent when an error occurs on your website. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode. Now we will log out. And that's it for the WatchTower demo.
So for our retrospective, some of the challenges that we faced were pacing our sprints consistently and maintaining clear and effective communication throughout teams and staying in sync across the very large team that we have. Some things that we overcame were learning how to coordinate and build as a project as a large team, and also taking on roles beyond coding like design, documentation, etc. So some things that we do differently now is really just hit the ground running. We would ask questions earlier and more consistently to Professor Powell and TA staff. Shout out to Audrey, thank you. And we'd also start testing and documentation a lot sooner because that was something that we found was really important as we got later on in the project.
And for some fun hijinks, like shout out to Ben, our Scrum Master, throughout our entire process. He's always been helping keeping us on track for stand-ups. And also our app glow up, where around the code review, our TA Audio said, I'm kind of concerned with the progress of your guys' app to our final product, even after the thousands of mergers that we had to completely revert because of all the different conflicts that we have. And for some advice for future classes, would definitely be to go ask questions, whether it's office hours to more formally or informally just yapping with your TA, taking more risks to explore, try things, and experiment, breaking down goals so it's more feasible and easier to achieve, and documenting from start to finish, being honest, and along with being honest is to have psychological safety as well as live, love, laugh with your team.
Overall, it was really fun learning how to navigate this project, and we're really proud of how far we've come.
Thank you.